Hello students, welcome to OMSARS Academy. Today we are going to learn class 9th maths chapter 2 polynomials part 12 factorization and expansion illustrations. Hello students, welcome to OMSARS Academy. Now we are going to solve the textbook examples illustrations on the basis of the algebraic identities. So friends, let us start with the sums. Now I'll be discussing each and every illustrations of your textbook also. Let us see the first example 16. Illustration number 16. Illustration 16 says find the following products using appropriate identities. Find the following products using appropriate identities. Now see, we have to find the products. Okay, products means we have to multiply the polynomials, and we don't have to multiply it directly, but we have to use the appropriate identities and find the answers. So what is the first one? First one is x plus 3 into x plus 3. Now say this is similar to the first identity, that is x plus y into x plus y. So what is x plus y into x plus y? It will be x plus y the whole square. So what is the identity of x plus y the whole square? I have discussed x square plus 2xy plus y square. This identity directly you have to remember. So this also we can write it as x plus 3 the whole square. Instead of x there is x over here, and instead of y there is 3 over here. So what will be the solution? X square. X square means what? X the whole square plus 2xy. What is my x? X is x, and instead of y I have to take what? 3. So 2xy plus y square. What is y square? 3 the whole square. So it will be what? X square plus 2 into x into 3. This all 3 are multiplied. So 2 3s are 6 into x is what? 6x plus 3 square is what? 9. So this is the product of this two. Okay friends. Now let us do the next one. X minus 3 into x plus 5. You have to identify that which identity will be applicable to this sum. So from this I identified that x plus y the whole square is applicable. From this I have to identify that x plus a into x plus b, this one identity will be applicable. Why? Because see, the first term xx remains same, but the second term 3 and 5, minus 3 and 5, this will be my a and b. Okay, so what was the solution of this? The solution was x square plus into bracket a plus b into x plus ab. This was my identity. Now instead of x square, what I will write over here? I'll write x only, because instead of x here also it is x only. So instead of x will be x. Instead of a I'll write minus 3 over here, and instead of b what I will write is 5. So what will be the solution over here is x square. So x the whole square plus into bracket a plus b. What was my a? A was minus 3 plus b. B was what? 5 into x. So here it is x only plus ab. So ab, that you have to multiply. A into b is multiplied plus ab, that is a into b, that is minus 3 into 5. So what will be the solution of this? X square minus 3. Minus 3 plus 5 will be 5 minus 3, that is 2x. So that is 2. If I open this bracket, I do one more step over here. Minus 3 plus 5 into x plus, I have to multiply these two numbers. So that will be minus 3 into 5 will what? Minus 15. I have to keep them into bracket. Now in the next step I will be opening the bracket. So x square. Now what is 5 minus 3? That is 2. So it will 2x. No minus sign will remain over here. So x square plus 2x plus into minus. This plus into minus will become what? Minus and 15. So what is my final product of this? Final product is x square plus 2x minus 15. So hope this is clear friends. Now we move to the next one. The solution of illustration number 17. illustration 17. Illustration 17 says evaluate 105 into 106 without multiplying directly. Now see friends, when these words are used without multiplying directly, so you have to understood that you have to use the identities over here. Okay, so 105 into 106 I can directly multiply like this way, 105 into 106, and whatever answer I will get, this is multiplying directly. But this I don't have to do over here. So what I have to do is I have to use the identity. Which identity I'll use? So I can write this 105 as 100 plus 5 and into, instead of into I keep them into two brackets. 106 is what? 100 plus 6. So this is like a, x plus a and x plus b. Now see, x plus a, x plus b. What was the solution of this identity? That was x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So here in this case, what is my x over here? X was same. So instead of x, what I am taking? Instead of x I am taking 100. Instead of a, what I am taking? 5. So instead of a I am taking 5. And instead of b, what I am taking? 6. Okay. Now find the solution. Solution was what? This. So x square. X square means what? 100 the whole square. Plus a plus b into bracket. So in bracket what I'll get? A plus b. What is a plus b? 5 plus 6 and then multiplied by x. So what was my x? X was 100 multiplied by 100 plus ab. So what is my ab? A is 5 and b is what? 6. So 100 square is what? 10,000. Whatever number of zeros are there, if I multiplied it by 2 times, 2 zeros multiplied by 2 times, it will become 4 zeros. If there are 3 zeros उसका square है, तो it will become 6 zeros. ठीक है? तो plus 5 plus 6 is what? 11 into 100 plus 5 6 are 30. So it will be 10,000 plus 11 into 100 is 1100 plus 30. So what will be my answer? 10,000 plus 1100 plus 30. So answer will be what? 0, 3, 1, then 1 and 1. So it will be 11,130. This is my answer. Now we are going to discuss example number 18. Okay. What is the 18th example? To factorize. You have to factorize. What you have to factorize? First one is 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. Now see friends, this we have to factorize using identities. Okay. In the previous illustrations it was expansion. Okay. Now from this polynomial, this is a polynomial, says from this we have to factorize. So first of all we need to identify which identity will be used over here. So we know that here see the first one is the perfect square, right? This is the perfect square of what? 49 is perfect square of what? 7, and a square is perfect square of what? A. So we can write that 49a square is perfect square of 7a the whole square. Okay friends? Then from this plus we keep plus sign over here. Then this plus will remain as it is, and the last term 25 is a perfect square of what? 5. B square is perfect square of what? B. So we can write these and these are perfect square, first and the last term. So middle terms, see here for middle two signs are plus. So we know that in identity x plus y the whole square, x square plus 2xy plus y square was the solution. Okay, and second identity was x square minus y square. There it was x square minus 2xy plus y square. So in these both identities, first and last term was the perfect square. So out of these two identities will be the answer will be any one. But we say the sign wise, यहाँ पे देखो तो यहाँ पे प्लस प्लस था और यहाँ पे देखो तो यहाँ पे क्या साइन है? माइनस एंड प्लस. तो ये वाली आइडेंटिटी नहीं, ये वाली आइडेंटिटी हम यूज कर सकते हैं. तो मे बी दिस विल बी 2xy. सो यहाँ पे मिडिल टर्म में ऐसे 2xy की जगह 2 इंटू 2 ब्रैकेट्स कर देता हूँ, राइट. तो एक ब्रैकेट में जो है मैं क्या करूंगा, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म लिखूंगा. फर्स्ट टर्म वॉज व्हाट, माई a, दैट इज 7a, दैट इज x टर्म. एंड सेकेंड टर्म वॉज व्हाट, y, so that is 5b. Okay, now I multiply and see, check that whether if I multiply this three terms, am I getting this middle term? Let us multiply. 2 into 7 is 14. 14 5s are 70. So I am getting 70 and a into b is what, ab. So then in this case it is 70 ab. So I am getting this middle term. So what is the solution? We can say that it is, if I am getting this term, then this is my answer. X plus y the whole square is answer. So it is 7a plus 5b the whole square. This is my answer. Okay friends. So friends, let us move further now. Second question is 25 upon 4x square minus y square upon 9. Okay. Now this also, this is in the form of something like, this is also perfect square and this is also perfect square, and there is minus term between this. So remember the identity, x square minus y square. What was the solution of this? X the whole square minus y the whole square is what? X minus y and x plus y. This was the identity. So this may be applicable over here. How? This and this should be the perfect square. Now let us check. 25 is a perfect square of what? 5. 4 is a perfect square of what? 2. And x square is perfect square of what? X. So I can write this whole as square. So it will be 25 upon 4x square minus y square is perfect square of what? Y. 9 is perfect square of what? 3. So y upon 3 the whole square. So it is in this form, x square minus y square. Here what is my x? X will be what? This whole term, that is y upon 2x. And y square, instead of y square I will be writing, instead of y I will be writing y upon 3. This will be my y over here. So what is my solution of this? X minus y and x plus y. So these minus these and these plus this. So solution of this will be this minus this and this plus this. This is my whole as considered as x, and this whole is I have considered as y. So it will be 5 upon 2x minus y upon 3 into bracket and multiplied by 5 upon 2x plus y upon 3. So this is the answer. These are the factors of this. Okay, is it clear? So I have factorized this into this form and this into this. This is how we factorize the polynomials using identities. Now we move to the next illustration, that is illustration number 19. Example number 19. Now in 19th example, friends, what is given over here? See the textbook. Write expand form of. Write 3a plus 4b plus 5c the whole square in expanded form. Expanded form I have to write. Okay. So here there are three terms, a, b and c, the whole square. So remember the identity. Which identity it can be? Yes. It can be a plus b plus c the whole square, or we had written as x plus y plus z the whole square is what? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This was the identity. Okay. Now this identity we are going to use over here in this sum. How? We see, instead of x they have taken as 3a. Instead of y they have taken as 4b, and instead of z they have taken as 5c the whole square. Okay, so solution will be like something like this only. If we know the identity, then we will know the expanded form also. This is called as the expanded form. Okay, so I will expand this into this type of form. So let us see x square. What is my x? I am writing over here. Instead of x I have taken 3a. Instead of y I am taking 4b. And instead of z I am taking what? 5c. So wherever there is x I will put what? 3a. So this will be 3a the whole square plus instead of y what I will put? 4b. So it will be 4b the whole square plus instead of z it will be 5c the whole square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. So instead of a and b, that is x and y, what I will put? 3a and 4b. So in this bracket I will put 3a and 4b. Here yz, instead of yz I will put 4b and 5c. So in this what I will put? 4b and 5c. And zx, instead of zx I will put 5c and 3a. So 5c and 3. Okay. So what will be the answer of this? 3a the whole square is what? 3 का square क्या होगा? 9. A का square? A square plus 4 square is what? 16. Square of b will be what? B square plus 5 का square? 25. Square of c will be what? C square plus 2 into 3. Now see, these 3 terms are multiplied, these 3 terms are multiplied, these 3 terms are multiplied. So 2 into 3, 6. 6 4s are 24 AB. So it will be what? 24 A into B is AB. Plus 2 4s are 8. 8 5s are 40 BC. So it will be what? 40 BC. Plus 2 5s are 10. 10 3s are 30 CA. So this is my answer. Dear friends, it is very easy. Now move to the illustration number 20. In example 20, what is given as expand again with the same identity. Okay, expand 4a minus 2b minus 3c the whole square. Okay. Your identity is same, but there is minus sign. So first of all, we'll write the identity only. There are 3 terms a, b and c the whole square. So identity was x plus y plus z. The whole square is what? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay. So instead of x, I will be taking what? 4a. Instead of y, here see y was plus and here y is minus. So we'll put the minus sign in y. So we'll put this whole term as y, that is minus 2b. And instead of z, we'll take this whole term, that is minus 3c. So if I substitute this value in these, I'll get the expansion form. So it will be what? 4a plus y is what? Minus 2b plus z is what? Minus 3c the whole square. Okay. So what is the solution of this? That is x square. X square is what? 4a the whole square plus y square. Y square is what? Minus 2b. So minus 2b the whole square plus z square is minus 3c the whole square. So it will be minus 3c the whole square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This we keep blank only. Now we put the value. So what is xy? That is 4a and minus 2b. So 2 into 4a and minus 2b. 2xy, then yz. What is yz? Minus 2b and minus 3c. So minus 2b and minus 3c. And zx. Zx is what? Minus 3c and 4. Minus 3c and 4. So what will be the solution of this is? It will be 4a. This plus into minus will become minus 2b. This plus into minus again it will become minus 3c the whole square. Now see, I got the same form which was asked in the question. Okay, in question also I was asked to solve this only. 4a minus 2b minus 3c the whole square. I got this in this form only. Then it will be what? 4a the whole square. That is 4 का square क्या होगा? 16. A का square क्या हो जाएगा? A square. So I can write it as 16a square plus minus 2 का square क्या हो जाएगा? 4 और minus sign निकल जाएगी तो 4 and b का square b square. Inside you will write. Okay, when we are doing already we have taken the square. then we'll keep this square inside. Okay, here we hadn't find out the square, so it was whole square, but square was outside. After finding the square, what I am doing, I am keeping this square inside. So 4 का square 16 और a का square जो है a square वो मैंने ब्रैकेट के अंदर ले लिया. Is it clear? फिर -2 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा 4. फिर b का स्क्वायर आया वो मैंने ब्रैकेट के अंदर b स्क्वायर लिख दिया. अभी स्क्वायर बाहर नहीं लिखना है. प्लस -3 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा, -3 इज 9 एंड c का स्क्वायर आएगा वो अंदर लिखना है और फिर ब्रैकेट क्लोज कर. प्लस 2 इंटू इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते पहले, ठीक है. अदरवाइज वी मल्टीप्लाई ऑल द 3 टर्म एंड कीप इट इन ब्रैकेट ओनली. लेट अस डू दिस. 4 2s are 2 4s are 8. 8 into -2 is -16 and a into b is ab. Okay, then plus let us multiply all these 3 terms and keep it into bracket. Okay, then in the next step we'll open the brackets. 2 into -2 is -4. -4 into -3. Minus into minus it will be plus. So 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. Answer will be in plus only because there are 2 minus sign. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 and b into c is bc. Plus again multiply these 3 terms and keep it into bracket. There is 1 minus sign, so there will be minus sign over here. 2 into -3 into 4. 2 into -3 is -6. -6 into 4 is what? -24 and c into a is what? C. Okay, now let us open the brackets. So it will be what? 16a square plus 4b square plus 9c square plus into minus will be -16ab plus 12bc and plus into minus is -24ca. So this whole is my expansion form. Is it clear? This is my answer. So hope it is clear, friends. Now we move to the next part, factorize. Example number 21. So example 21 says what? Factorize four x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx. Sorry, xz. This is the question given in your textbook. Now we have to do what? Factorize these things. Now friends, before factorizing, what we will see is over here, is there anything which we can use as an identity? Yes or no? If yes, then which identity we can use? We can use the a plus b plus c the whole square. Okay, so that is x plus y plus z the whole square. I am writing the identity over here. See, this is perfect square, this is perfect square, this is perfect square. Then there is xy, yz, zx or xz. Okay, so identity, this we can write as x plus y plus z the whole square is what? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx or xz. Okay, so instead of x, it is, this is perfect square of what? I can write it as 2x the whole square. Okay, this is 2x the whole square. Is it okay? This 4x square plus y square plus z square, what I can write as, see, 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. This was the question. Clear, friends? This question I have copied it over here. Now see, these form the question is given and your answer will be in this form. It is very easy if you identify that which identity you have to apply. So this form is the question form and your answer will be in this form while factorizing. So you will get factors in this form. Okay, so let us see that whether this form is correct over here or not. So let us see. Here it is a perfect square of what? 4x square is the perfect square of what? 2x the whole square plus y square is perfect square of what? Y the whole square plus, now friends, here one interesting thing is there is minus sign over here, and in identity all signs we are taking as plus. So either of these three terms, any one of the terms will be minus. So let us identify which term. See, z square will be written as z the whole square. Okay. Then minus what I am taking as 2xy. So I am keeping two blanks. Plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. ठीक है, मैंने इसी फॉर्म में लिख दिया जिस फॉर्म में ये आइडेंटिटी का फॉर्म था, सब में प्लस प्लस ही लिखा है. ठीक है. नाउ वी सी दैट यहाँ पे माइनस साइन कहाँ पे है. तो माइनस साइन जो है वो ये वाले टर्म में है, एक्स वाई में है और वाई जेड में. ठीक है. तो अभी देखो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे दो टर्म्स है, एक्स वाई और वाई जेड. इसमें कॉमन क्या है, वाई वाई कॉमन आ रहा है. नंबर्स को छोड़ दो, वेरिएबल्स में कॉमन क्या है, वेरिएबल्स में कॉमन जो है वो वाई वाई है. तो वाई हमारा कौन सा टर्म है, सेकेंड टर्म है. तो दिस सेकेंड टर्म विल बी माइनस ओवर हियर. ठीक है. तो लेट अस पुट द माइनस साइन इन द सेकेंड टर्म. तो अभी मैं करूं तो यहाँ पे दो ब्रैकेट्स में एक्स वाई, तो एक्स वाई मेरा क्या होना चाहिए, 2x और माइनस वाई. तो यहाँ पे मैं लिख रहा हूँ 2x और माइनस वाई. फिर मेरा वाई जेड, तो वाई जेड इसके अनुसार क्या होना चाहिए, इसके हिसाब से माइनस वाई एंड जेड होना चाहिए. तो माइनस वाई और जेड रखिए. एंड थर्ड में जेड एक्स होना चाहिए. तो जेड और एक्स, जेड एंड 2x. तो दिस इज जेड एंड 2x. नाउ व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई, लेट अस चेक दैट वेदर जो ऊपर वाला आंसर आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है. तो इन दिस फॉर्म 2x स्क्वायर, 2x का होल स्क्वायर क्या आ रहा है, 4x स्क्वायर, माइनस वाई का स्क्वायर वो प्लस वाई स्क्वायर आएगा, z द होल स्क्वायर का प्लस z स्क्वायर आएगा. यहाँ पे एक माइनस साइन था, हमने y माइनस लिया था. क्यों, क्योंकि यहाँ पे दोनों साइड y y था. अभी देखो यहाँ पे ये दोनों में कॉमन है माइनस माइनस, तो मिडिल टर्म विल बी नेगेटिव. यहाँ पे ये दोनों में माइनस माइनस है और यहाँ पे प्लस है. तो yz और xz में कॉमन क्या है, z. तो z मतलब कि लास्ट टर्म आपका नेगेटिव होगा. इज इट क्लियर. एंड यदि यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट में माइनस साइन है और बीच में प्लस साइन है, तो उसका मतलब एक्स वाई और एक्स जेड में माइनस साइन है, तो फर्स्ट टर्म आपका नेगेटिव होगा. तो दिस यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर इट वेरी वेल. तो यहाँ पे आपका वाई वाई कॉमन था, तो सेकेंड टर्म नेगेटिव है. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई एंड चेक वेदर ये इसका आंसर ये आ रहा है, इसका आंसर ये आ रहा है और इसका आंसर ये आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. चेक इट. 2 2s are 4. 4 इंटू एक्स वाई इज 4xy और माइनस साइन है तो माइनस 4xy. तो ये आंसर आ रहा है, यस राइट. फिर यहाँ पे चेक करो, ये तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो. 2 इंटू वाई इंटू जेड इज 2yz एंड माइनस साइन है तो माइनस 2yz आ रहा है, यस. फिर थर्ड टर्म चेक करो, 2 इंटू जेड इंटू 2x, 2 2s are 4. 4 इंटू zx इज व्हाट, 4xz और zx वो एक ही है. ठीक है. तो ये प्लस है तो ये प्लस ही आ रहा है. तो इसका सॉल्यूशन ये a प्लस बी प्लस सी द होल स्क्वायर होगा. तो a मेरा क्या है यहाँ पे, x प्लस वाई प्लस z द होल स्क्वायर. तो x इज व्हाट, 2x. y इज व्हाट, माई नेगेटिव, सो आई विल राइट माइनस y प्लस z इज व्हाट, z द होल स्क्वायर. तो दिस इज माई आंसर. ठीक है. ये फॉर्म से मैंने अंदाजा लगाया कि ये मेरा आंसर होगा. वाई, बिकॉज मेरा मिडिल टर्म यहाँ पे नेगेटिव आ रहा है. तो a प्लस बी प्लस सी द होल स्क्वायर करूंगा तो उस केस में मेरा b है वो नेगेटिव. a मेरा क्या था, 2x द होल स्क्वायर, a द होल स्क्वायर, तो a मेरा 2x हो गया. b मेरा क्या था, माइनस y, तो वो मेरा नेगेटिव था, तो आई पुट माइनस ओवर हियर, प्लस z द होल स्क्वायर. c प्लस था तो प्लस की जगह प्लस ही रहा. So this is how we factorize this sum. Hope this is clear, friends. So second sum में ट्रिपल लाइन द होल क्यूब का कैसे करेंगे हम. ट्रिपल लाइन द होल क्यूब को आइडेंटिटी में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो ट्रिपल लाइन इज व्हाट, 1000 माइनस 1 द होल क्यूब. ठीक है. 1000 माइनस 1 इज व्हाट, 999. तो दिस विल बी विच आइडेंटिटी, इट कैन बी कन्वर्टेड एज x माइनस वाई द होल क्यूब. तो इस आइडेंटिटी का क्या फॉर्मूला था, व्हाट वाज दिस आइडेंटिटी होल अबाउट, x माइनस वाई द होल क्यूब इज x क्यूब माइनस वाई क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर y प्लस 3x y स्क्वायर. अभी यहाँ पे व्हाट यू हैव टू टेक इज, इंस्टेड ऑफ x यू हैव टू टेक 1000 and instead of y what you have to take is 1. Okay, so what we will do is 1000 minus 1 the whole cube, that is 1000 का cube whole cube minus 1 the whole cube minus 3 into x square की जगह 1000 का square into y की जगह 1 plus 3 की जगह 3, x की जगह 1000 and y square की जगह 1 the whole square. So what will be the solution now? See, here there are 3 zeros and you have to multiply 3 times. So it will be 3 into 3, 9 zeros हो जाएंगे. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. Is it clear? So it is 100 crores minus 1 the whole cube is what? 1 minus 3. Here 1000 का square है, तो 3 zeros are there. We have to multiply it by 2, so it will be 6 zeros. So into 10 lakhs into 1 plus 3 into 1000 into 1 का स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा? 1 ही रहेगा. It will be 1 only. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros minus 1 minus 3 multiplied by this 10 lakhs, that is 30 lakhs. So after 3 there will be 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 1. 30 lakh into 1 will be 30 lakh only. Plus 3 into 10,000, 3 into 1000. So 3 into 1000 is what? 3000 into 1 will remain 3000 only. Okay. Now see, these two are having positive sign. So let us add these two first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus कितना ऐड करना है? 3000. So 3000 ऐड करेंगे तो 0, 0, 0, 3, फिर इधर 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1. ठीक है. मेक इट श्योर के कैलकुलेशन में कोई मिस्टेक ना हो. इज इट क्लियर? माइनस ये 30 लाख प्लस 1, ये दोनों माइनस माइनस है तो 30 लाख 1. तो इट विल बी व्हाट? 1 then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 and then 3. So we have to minus 30 lakh 1 from this. So 10 minus 1 is what? 9. Got 9 over here. Again got 9 over here. Again got 2. So it will be 2. 0, 0. 10 minus 3 will be 7. Got over 9 over here. Got here also it will be 9 and cut it will be 0. So what will be my answer? Will be 997002999 999. Okay, so it will be is it clear? Understood? So it will be what? 99 crore 70 lakh 2999 is my answer. Make it sure that while calculation there is no mistake friends. कैलकुलेशन में कुछ भी मिस्टेक हुई तो आपका पूरा सम जो है वो गलत हो जाएगा. ओके फ्रेंड्स, नाउ वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 24. एग्जाम्पल 24 है, फैक्टराइज करना है. वी हैव टू फैक्टराइज इट. 8x cube plus 27x cube, sorry y cube, 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square. Now see, ये कुछ इसी फॉर्म में है. x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So it can be the identity of which one? That is a plus b the whole cube or x plus y the whole cube की identity हो सकती है. So let us check whether ऐसा हो रहा है. तो what is the identity of x plus y the whole cube की identity क्या थी? I am doing over here so that you will get an idea. x plus y the whole cube की identity क्या थी? x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square. देखो यहाँ x square y और x y square आ रहा था ना, उसके बेसिस पे मैंने एज्यूम किया कि इसकी आइडेंटिटी है ये. ठीक है, तो यदि ऐसा ये यहाँ पे जो है, इफ आई पुट दिस वैल्यूज ओवर हियर and if this value matches with this, then the solution of that will be in this form. Okay, so factors will be in this form. So let us do this. ये x क्यूब, तो x क्यूब मतलब ये 8 किसका क्यूब है, 2 का, तो 2 x क्यूब किसका क्यूब है, x का, तो आई पुट 2x द होल क्यूब प्लस y क्यूब, y क्यूब में यहाँ पे ये किसका क्यूब है, 27 किसका क्यूब है, 3 का, और यहाँ पे y क्यूब किसका है, y द होल क्यूब प्लस 3 and 2 brackets plus 3 and 2 brackets. ओके, यहाँ पे 3x स्क्वायर y है, तो यहाँ पे पहले ब्रैकेट पे स्क्वायर करते हैं, एंड 3xy स्क्वायर है तो दूसरे ब्रैकेट पे स्क्वायर करते हैं. नाउ इन दिस इफ आई पुट द फर्स्ट वैल्यू दैट इज x की जगह पे मेरी कौन सी वैल्यू है, यहाँ पे 2x, तो आई पुट 2x ओवर हियर, एंड y की जगह कौन सी वैल्यू है मेरी 3y, सो आई पुट 3y ओवर हियर. ओके, प्लस 3 इंटू 2x into 3y. Now these two matches with these two. 2x the whole cube is what, 8x cube. 3y the whole cube is what, 27y cube. Whether these two matches with the above two, let us check. तो यहाँ पे देखो 2 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा, 4. तो 4 into 3 is what, 12. 12 into 3 is what, 36 x square y. Yes, so it matches over here. यहाँ पे देखो 3 2s are 6. एंड 3 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा, 9. सो 3 इंटू 2 इज 6 एंड 3 का स्क्वायर 9. 6 इंटू 9 इज व्हाट, 54xy स्क्वायर. यस, इट मैचेस. सो द सॉल्यूशन विल बी इन दिस फॉर्म, दैट इज x प्लस y द होल स्क्वायर. बट इंस्टेड ऑफ x व्हाट वी हैव टेकन ओवर हियर, दैट इज 2x प्लस y द होल स्क्वायर इज व्हाट, 3y, सॉरी, प्लस y द होल क्यूब इज व्हाट, 3y द होल क्यूब. सो दिस इज माय आंसर. Understood, friends? So this is how we factorize this. Hope it is clear, friends. First, very important thing is you have to remember which identity we are using here. Okay. Now, next is example number 25 of textbook. Factorize 8x cube plus y cube, 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz. Now this I have to factorize. Now see, remember the last identity, ये तीनों में क्यूब है. There is cube in all these first three terms, a cube plus b cube plus c cube, and there is minus 3abc, something like this way. Okay, so remember the identity. What was the identity? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This was the identity. And what was the solution of this? That was x plus y plus z into bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zs. This was the identity. Remember, friends, this was the last identity. On this basis only we have to solve this. Okay, so instead of this x cube, what we will do? Instead of x cube, what we will do? This is perfect cube. So this is perfect cube of what? 2x the whole cube. So we can write 2x the whole cube plus y cube is perfect cube of what? Y the whole cube plus 27z cube is the perfect cube of what? 3z the whole cube minus 3xyz. 3xyz की जगह पे 3 into 3 brackets xyz. So that is x is what? My 2x, y is what? Y, and z is what? 3z over here. Okay, so x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, and the solution of this will be what? Now see, multiply these three terms, you get 18xyz, 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18 into yz, you get 18y xyz. Okay, now solution of this I am writing over here is x plus y plus z. So what is x plus y plus z? X is what? 2x plus y is what? Y plus z is what? 3z. Okay, so solution we are writing this part now. I am writing this part as a answer. Okay, this part was given over here. This part was given. My answer will be in this form. Okay, so this will be my answer. So 2x plus y plus 3z into bracket x square. What is x square? Instead of x, what I am writing? 2x. So 2x square plus y square. What is y square? Instead of y, there is y only. So we'll put y square plus z square. Instead of z, I am putting 3z the whole square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So xy की जगह पे क्या रखूंगा मैं? 2x into y. So this first two terms. Then second and third term, that is y and 3z, and minus zx, that is third and the first term, that is 3z and 2x. Okay. Now if I solve this, I'll get what? 2x plus y plus 3z. It will remain as it is. 2x का square. What will be the square of 2x? 2, 4. x का square क्या हो जाएगा? x square plus y square. y square का y square plus 3z the whole square. 3 का square क्या होगा? 9 and z का square z square. Plus into minus will be minus 2x into y is what? 2xy. Here also there is one minus sign, so minus y into 3z is what? 3yz minus 3 into 2 is what? 6z into x is 6zx. So this is my answer. Okay friends, so by this identity we factorize the above sum. This is my final answer. Okay friends, so once again I am telling, please remember all the identities. These are all sums based on identities only. Okay friends, so thank you. We'll be meeting in the next topic. We'll be solving the exercise.
Thank you students for watching this video. To view our more videos, please click on like and subscribe button given below. Thank you.